all these cars are going. We're gonna do this fast. Jerry, let's do this. Outside and shit.
On the blocks.
Some longhorns. Get back there, cool. Shit, ain't gone. Bucket ain't gone. Should have been that way because the stand was listening. Open the door. Here, let me climb in. Dude, this thing drives like a dream, Caterpillar. Oh my god. It's ridiculous, dude.
I just thought.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Ready? Hold on, let me put that. Is that it? Oh, it slips so much better with fluid. Sácalo. Did you already put those on?
No.
No, I haven't put none on.
Oh, okay. You go first.
Like that. It's a Philip, no?
Yeah, here. Turn that one on.
Like that.
Perfecto.
This fucking hood is not that bad to put on, huh? You want mine? Or you mean that one?
Crap.
Salió. You gotta redo that or what?
Yeah. Esto, falta más. Acá entro más. Entonces dale más para allá.
Put it on right. From the side over here first. Gotta be like. Once it's on there, it's not gonna move. Little tutorial, fucking how to fucking make a seat fit back on the foam fabrication, homie.
This shit seems like
A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more.
yeah.
Like cutting cheese, homie.
Sí, eso es lo de acá ahora.
That'll work.
You gonna start with it?
No. Put it down. We're gonna press down like that. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. Maybe you should stay for it. I want it tight like that. All right. Go ahead. Got it? Fucking project of the day, dog. On the other side, Jerry. Fucking choking off that shit. Oh, here's a little fucking thing. What's up, pinche huevo? Busting out the motherfucking sistema. It's gotta be kind of cool, dog, because the tunes is gonna come off through the bottom and shit, huh? 36 inches. We'll cut it about 36 inches, and then we'll do like 8 inches. Is that what it is? 8 inches tall.
Fuck. It's gonna go like this.
So this is what I'm thinking. Look. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. So look. Okay. So once we got this down, so you already know it fits, right?
Yeah.
So take this. We're gonna take this back off. Screw it down. Okay. We're gonna screw it down, and then we're gonna lift this up. I'm gonna make a sheet metal thing.
Oh, you're gonna make a sheet metal?
Yeah, just from here to here. Look, una vuelta.
Okay.
So we'll be able to put this up against Velcro it against the sheet metal. I was just gonna make 2 little turns right here, like this.
Okay.
So the next piece that we put on, it'll wrap against that, like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Jerry.
Yeah.
So then we just like, look, así para que lo tenga aquí lo va a tener, see? So we just punch a couple holes here and we'll screw it down here. And we'll paint it black so you won't be able to see it. You know, he probably couldn't work all day.
Yeah.
He'd be like, perfect, that's close enough. So you gotta cut this like that. And then punch the holes.
Yeah.
Do your both cardboards. And then take them back off. Spray paint it black, flat black.
All right. What's next, Little? So for now, need to hold this shit. There.
And then look, put it here. What I would do, en la misma esa, desconéctalo acá, ya lo desconectaste. Beep, beep. Got it?
Yeah.
Ponlo aquí. See if you can put it here.
All right. All right.
What's this for, the horn?
Yeah, this is a horn. Yeah, it works. Yeah.
See.
Huh?
Check it out.
Huh? Oh, there you go. Which one?
This one, you switch it over.
There's the 3 fucking
That's
horns.
so loud.